in round one. The other one being world number one, Steve Guerdat.
As I was saying before, I'd never seen him ride. I think I read up that he was a tetrathlon competitor as a junior. But I really admire his style and his way of riding. And this horse has an interesting style, a little bit his own style of jumping, but he's actually jumping even better in this round than he was in the first round.
But now looking as if he might post the first double clear of this Longines FEI Nations Cup competition, and he flies the last, and that is the most fabulous double clear for Switzerland. Niklaus Rutschi, Corrado, double clear for them. Switzerland remain on 4 faults, like Belgium, with 3 riders to come. But what a fabulous round from Niklaus Rutschi for Switzerland. Double clear for them in Baule. Well, what a lovely round. They had one fence down earlier, but now the rider number 3 for Switzerland, Paul Estermann, with the 13-year-old Oldenburg gelding, Lord Pepsi.
He'd had fence 2 down in the first round, which I hadn't expected a horse of this experience to have down. Looked a little spooky jumping between the lake and the water tray.
Belgium win it.
Okay. Letting you do Nations Cup math. It's a rather special form of math.
He goes clear. He's got 1 to go. This is a very, very crux moment for Switzerland. He rattles it, but it stays there, and that keeps the competition alive. What the pressure on these athletes! Absolutely extraordinary.
And I think, okay, obviously we both think that Steve's going clear, and we were all out in the ocean this morning, and Steve had his mare up to her chest, riding and galloping on the ocean this morning.
1 fence down gives it to a clear, wins it. The fence down gives it to Belgium. 1 time penalty matches Belgium's 5. Just 1 to go. Can the world number 1 clinch it for Switzerland? He does! What a superb round from one of the hugest geniuses on a horse. What an incredible round from world number 1, Steve Guerdat. Just a few weeks ago, we saw him in almost identical situation on the wonderful Hannah to clinch his 3rd Longines FEI World Cup final. Switzerland take the maximum 100 points here in the Baule at the first of the 7 legs of Europe Division 1. Belgium, 1 time penalty behind in 2nd place. Then France in 3rd. Ireland in 4th. Brazil, last year's winner, in 5th. Germany in 6th. Great Britain in 7th, and Canada in 8th.